Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to set private account on X. So open X application on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections and you want to go to section that's called privacy and safety. Now at the top of your page of your screen you have to go to audience and tagging, and at the very top you should see this option that's called protect your posts. So this is the feature that is responsible for making your account private. As you can see, I have already enabled that and now my account is private. And some additional information from the moment that you enable this feature, that you make your account private, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you a request that you must follow, a request that you must manually approve or decline. So let me show you how to do it. In the top left, tap your profile picture, and in this menu you can see different sections. You want to tap on follower requests, and from here you can manage your new followers. So you can accept them or you can decline them. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.